All right, I'm back. We're on the bottom of page 3. We're going to do this one example, and then we'll maybe move on. We'll see. So this, if you read the little blurb above it, it clearly tells you this is not an example where the table method will work, even though it really looks like it, right? Like my inclination when I do this problem would be to say, make u equal x squared. So actually, I'll just try it. This is going to be wrong. So I'll let u, and then I'll have dv. So I'll let u equal x squared, but then dv is ln of x dx. Now I know the antiderivative of, why am I making these in columns? Oh, because I was going to try to do the table problem. Oh, but if I do a table, I don't need, hold on. Let me rearrange some stuff here. I'm going to make u equal x squared and dv be natural log of x dx, right? So I can find du, no problem, 2x dx. I can find another derivative is 2, another derivative is 0. So table problem, perfect. The problem is v, I have to integrate natural log of x, which I can totally do to x ln of x minus x. But that's way more complicated. And then the next step, I'll have to integrate again. And it seems like this is not going anywhere. So what you do, and integration by parts is a method that really benefits people who are willing to just dive in, be wrong, and move on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make u equal the natural log of x. And then dv will have to be x squared dx. So this doesn't seem like it'll work from experience, but experience is sometimes overrated. So let's see. So du is 1 over x dx. And then v, we have to integrate, is 1/3 x cubed plus c, but we don't write it. Look at that, v du, right, is going to be 1/3 x cubed times 1 over x, so it's just going to be 1/3 x squared. I can totally do that. So this, it turns out, is actually a pretty direct problem to do. So of x squared, the natural log of x dx is going to be uv, so 1/3 x cubed natural log of x minus the integral of v du, so that's 1/3, and then x cubed times 1 over x is x squared dx. So we're going to get 1/3 x cubed natural log of x, and then minus, what do we get? 1/3 times 1/3, so 1/9 x cubed plus c. So that's kind of interesting because there's an x cubed in both of them. Let's check it on the calculator. So switch over here. So never forget that your calculator can do these problems. So integral of x squared ln of x with respect to x. So look at that. How weird is that? So we could have tried the table method. It just wasn't going to work. I mean, that's basically what happens with these problems. You try it and it doesn't work. And as soon as it doesn't work, you're like, oh, I got to try something else. So we have a number of things we can try at this point, right? We can try dv is just dx by itself. I don't know that I'd want to try to do that, but you could. So I'm going to stop this here. I'll come back in the next video and we'll just keep going. All right, so I will see you there. And let me stop the recording, which is not so easy because I didn't really memorize the keyboard shortcuts for that. But anyway, I found it now, so I will see you in the next video.